Okay, guys, welcome to and welcome back. So this is my sheath dress currently, how I'm doing it pattern. Okay, so I know it looks a little square, a little boxy. I just wanted to get the structure down, and I felt like I could go through later and put darts wherever I needed to put darts, or take it in wherever I needed to take it in. But as of right now, it looks a little boxy. Anyway, so I realized that. Um, for my dress, I needed to have two sides because of obvious reasons. A human body has two sides, right? Right directly under your armpit down to your calf. So the under the armpit down to the calf is going to be shorter, obviously, than the from the tip of the shoulder, down to the clavicle, you know, past the waist to the knee to the shin. So that's going to be longer, right? So you want to get two clavicle panels. Excuse me, I was kind of early. Two clavicle panels, one for this side, one for that side. You want to get two sides for under the armpit, one for this side, one for that side. And then you want to do a front panel that's shorter as well, because that from the directly under the chin, you know, you want to show a little bit of neck, just a little bit of neck, not too much. You don't want to run nobody off. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, you want to wherever you want your cleavage to sit down to um I guess the middle of the legs, wherever you want your dress to stop, the length. So again, and then in the back, that particular middle panel in the back. Wait a minute. No, there is no middle panel in the back because the back is just going to have two sides. I'm literally rethinking this as the back had two sides. So yeah. I'm still working out the kinks, y'all. But and then if you put the two sides in the back, that gives you room for the zipper. I'm talking to y'all, but I'm talking to myself as well. So the two sides in the back, directly in the middle, bam, if you need to put a zipper. So in a up and coming video, it's going to be a yellow dress. I have been saving this yellow fabric for probably 2, maybe 3 weeks. I'm only a couple months in, well, 1 month in to sewing. It's about to be 2 months. It's about to be 2 months. So, yeah, so this particular dress is going to have, because I didn't have enough fabric, but again, this fabric is so thin, like I couldn't see myself wearing this out. Um, I had to take some fabric from a different color. Okay. So yeah. So in the future, what I'm going to do is shape the panels more with curves so that it's less boxy and more form fitting. Um yeah, but I had to get the concept down. Had to get the concept down. So, I love this pink, and the color that I'm going to add to it is going to be that up there, the wine color. You'll see. So, one thing that I noticed that's different between me making my skirt sets and me making dresses, because I have a blue dress that I made off camera. I I I will reveal to you guys. I'm going to have a video coming up where what I've made the first month or 2 months, I don't even know, um, of sewing. So, in that video, you will see me wearing everything from, if I didn't, alter it and use the fabric for something else, like I did the brown outfit. Yeah, I don't know if I made that video public yet, but yeah, the one where the sleeve was all messed up. Yeah, I went ahead and used that fabric for something else. Anyway, so you'll see the blue dress coming up. But one thing I noticed is different between me making dresses and me making skirt sets. See, that color's not too off. It actually looks like that was the plan the whole time, to have like an accent an accent panel. You know how you have accent walls? You walk in somebody's house and it's like, oh, this wall is significantly darker. Maybe it's a dark blue, a rich brown, or even black. Anyway, so this is the pattern with the pins in it. I'm about to sew it together. But let me finish my sentence. Let me finish my thought. So, the difference between the dresses and the skirt sets. The skirt sets have become really easy to make. Probably because I made more skirt sets than dresses. So, I don't know. But right now the skirt sets, they're just like I have that routine down. Thanks for watching, you guys.